In this quick video, I'll show you how to send Ronin to Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. So unfortunately, Ronin is not supported by Binance, but you can swap your Ronin into SLP or USD coin. So for example, you want to swap it into SLP, click swap here, and then select a token. For example, we're going to use SLP, and then type the amount of Ronin you want to swap. For example, 100 Ronin, and then I will receive this amount of SLP. Then click swap here, and then a confirmation from Ronin wallet will pop up, and you're gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you have a Ronin token in your Ronin wallet. Then once you have an SLP in your Ronin wallet, go to Binance here, and then click deposit. Click deposit crypto, and then click here, type down SLP, select a network, and click Ronin. Click OK, click here, and then go to your Ronin wallet, click transfer, and then paste the address, and then select SLP as your asset, and then type the amount of SLP you want to withdraw or transfer. For example, 2,500 SLP, and then click next here. Then once you have clicked next, you will have to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough Ronin in your Ronin wallet to pay for the gas fee. Then once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transaction to be completed, and you can see it here on your recent deposits. And then once you have received the SLP in your Binance, you can go to your wallet and check if you have received your SLP. And if you have any questions about how to send Ronin to Binance, leave a comment below.